It's like Lisa Frank vomited all over these cookies. Hey everyone, my name is Lauren and welcome back to my channel. This week we are making, what else? Cookies. And because I'm celebrating my friend's birthday, we are making birthday cake confetti cookies. They're also going to be cannabis infused. They're just so bright and colorful and perfect for a birthday. So let's talk about our ingredients. We have 10 tablespoons total of unsalted butter at room temperature. I have substituted 4 tablespoons of cannabis infused butter. So that's 4 tablespoons of cannabis infused butter and 6 tablespoons of regular unsalted butter. I have also melted them and mixed them together and then let them cool to room temperature. 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar packed, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. I just put them in the same little bowl. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. And this is 3/4 cups of sprinkles. I have a combination of Jimmy's and nonpareils just because I thought it would be fun, but you can choose whichever one that you like. They come in a ton of different colors. We're just gonna have fun and celebrate with these wonderful sprinkles. I am making large cookies today, but if you're making small cookies, you will need more sprinkles. Let's get into it. First, we are going to whisk together our dry ingredients. That means our flour. Ooh, always making a mess over here. Our baking soda and our salt. Now in a larger mixing bowl, we are going to beat together our butters and our sugars. I always like to combine my 2 butters together before I start baking so I know that they're well combined. But if you decide to forego that step, here just make sure you beat your butters and sugars together so well. We do not want unevenly dosed cookies. Now let's add our egg and our vanilla and almond extracts. The almond extract is optional, I guess, but it does give you that birthday cake kind of flavor. Now we are going to add our dry ingredients. So I thought about mixing the sprinkles into the batter, which is what you would do with a confetti cake, but you can't really see the sprinkles that well, so we're actually gonna roll our sprinkles on the outside. I am making these with a large cookie scoop. You can use a smaller cookie scoop. Just adjust your bake time accordingly. I'm gonna scoop my cookie and we're going to roll it in the sprinkles. You want it to be completely covered on the outside. Press it gently in your hand to make sure that those sprinkles stay on there. And then I just have a small baking tray that we are going to set these on. You don't have to space them out yet. We're actually going to chill these before we bake them. Ugh, they just look so happy and festive. These are going to go into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Do not skip this step. You can even freeze them. Then we are going to bake them on a sheet 2 inches apart at 350 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes for the larger size, about 10 to 12 minutes for a smaller size, from frozen about 20 minutes until the edges are set and just beginning to turn golden brown. We are back. I actually let my cookie dough chill overnight and baked them this morning. They turned out so perfectly. And I love how bright and colorful these cookies are. It's just coated with sprinkles. It's just a perfect cookie that's crunchy on the outside but still chewy in the center. And look at them, they're just perfect for a birthday or any celebration. Thank you guys for watching this week. We made these amazing, fun, and festive birthday cake confetti cannabis infused cookies. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Go check out those links below. There is a link to my social media. Like I said, I'm just recently on TikTok and I just started streaming on Twitch, which is a lot of fun. You guys can see a totally different side of me than the baking side. And I just love when you guys come and hang and say hi. So, have a great weekend and I will see you guys next week. Bye.